Good?
Live, yeah, we're live,
Oh.
yeah.
Hey guys, it's Coach Nedu here at Stowe Training Systems in beautiful city of Austin, Texas. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick tip to getting your kettlebell swings up to par. So typical Russian kettlebell swing is kind of what we're going over. So think 90 degrees with the swing. American, more up here. So especially if you have shoulder issues, you probably don't want to be doing that. If your range of motion or your shoulder mobility is lacking, you probably want to stay away from the American style. Focus more on the Russian swing at 90 degrees. So a lot of times when I see, when people are doing kettlebell swings, there's a difference between a hip hinge and a squat. So a lot of times when people are doing kettlebell swings, they'll swing and then they'll drop down into a squat. That's not what we're looking for. That's exactly not what we're looking for. We're looking for a hip hinge and then to pop at the top with the movement. So one of the ways I like, and one of the cues I like to use whenever teaching the kettlebell swing is to think of a triangle between the knees and kind of like the groin area. Your kettlebell should not go below your knees. You want to aim for the striking zone, kind of in between the groin and the knee area. So one of the ways that helps to teach this is first we got to know, can the person hinge, right? So we work on hinging. Love to use a stick to get that neutral neck and back with that position. And just focus on, can they hinge? Little knee movement as they're hinging. Of course, I probably want to turn this backwards without the hat. So here's one of the cueing tips I learned from Tony Gentlecore. Imagine there's a pin right here, a red dot, and there's a red dot here. And there's a swing, a kettlebell in my hand, so I'm pretending to swing. The wrong way to do this, right? Imagine there's a pin here and a pin here. When I go down, typically you'll see people squat to this position. So as I'm lowering my hand, I don't want to break at my hips until I get real close to the groin area, and then I'm going to push my hips back, and so I'm really close to here, and then I can hike it, hinge, and pop at the top, right? So as I'm coming down, don't break, and right here, push your hips back. So another way to think about it, it's pretty humorous. Assuming somebody wanted to kick a guy in the low below, right? What happens? You don't, kick me here, right? You draw it back. You hinge automatically, right? So, yeah, imagine someone's going to kick you right there, fellas. The first thing you do is you hinge and push your butt back. So as you're swinging, I'm lowering. And when I get to about close to here, I should push my butt back, micro bend at the knees, drive my hips forward, squeeze my glutes, and pop at the top. And that's one way you can kind of help correct your kettlebell swings. And one of the cues you can use, I know it's a little humorous, just think of that every time you're doing a kettlebell swing. So remember, we want to hinge at the hips and not break at the knees, and imagine the strike zone, the imaginary triangle between the knees and that groin area when you're doing a kettlebell swing. With that, they'll help take away that squatting pattern and focus more on the hip hinge and pop at the top. Hey guys, again, it's Coach Nedu. Listen, one last thing, I know I'm talking a lot here. It is close to the end of summer. All right, if you live in the Austin area and you're looking to find out exactly what we do, you want a personal trainer, we're offering a great deal for 11 sessions for $399. That's our summer transformation back to school special. Join us now, message me, I'm in, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Till then, I'm out.